Welcome to the demo of the Update 25D feature, Redwood, Group Work Orders to perform mass actions in Oracle Fusion Cloud Manufacturing. With this feature, you can manage work order groups. That is, to create, update and delete groups. Also, add work orders to the group. Search and perform mass actions for the group of work orders. You can group work orders for specific purpose like picking materials, reservations. And also perform mass actions while managing the life cycle of the work orders, like status change. It helps to organize related works and manage and track work orders together. In this demo, you can see the following. How to create, update, delete work order group, and add work orders to the group. Capture and update group name for all types of work orders. How to assign multiple work orders to groups as well as unassign them. How to search work orders using groups and perform mass actions. Also, check the work order groups in the Functional Setup Manager. You can see the new task work order groups in Manufacturing Setup. The new task is used to launch the Manage Work Order Groups page. Let's see how to create a new group. Click on the Add action. Specify the group name, description and code to create a new group. You can optionally provide the inactive date. Also, capture the descriptive flex fields that have been enabled for the work order group object. You can see the toast message that the group is created. Now, let's see how to delete one or more groups. Select the groups and click on the Delete action. You can see the toast message that the group is deleted. Next, let's see how to update a group. Select the group, and click on the Update action. You can update the group details. You can see the toast message that the group is updated. Next, let's see how to add work orders to the group. Click on the group name, to which you want to add work orders. You can see that a new page is launched. Here you can add work orders to the group. Now, click on the Add action. You can see the list of work orders, also search and select work orders and add them to the group. You can see the toast message that the selected work orders are added to the group. You can also delete work orders from the group. Select one or more work orders, and click on the Delete action. You can see the selected work orders are removed from the group and the toast message is shown. Next, we will see how groups are used in the Manage Work Orders page. You can see the advanced search filter available for group. You can use that to search work orders. You can see the work orders with the group names are shown. Next, you can see how to capture the group name during work order creation. Also, you can capture or update the group name in the Edit Work Order page. You can use the mass action, Assign to Group, and specify a group name to multiple work orders. Here, you can select a group name and assign to the selected work orders. Also, you can remove the selected work orders from the group, using the Remove from Group action. Next, we will see how to perform mass actions for work orders with specific group name. Search and select work orders based on a group name. You can see that the work orders are shown based on the group name. You can now select multiple work orders and perform any of the available mass actions. Reserve material automatically, mass action was performed. You can see that the scheduled process has been initiated to reserve materials for the selected work order. Next, go to the Functional Setup Manager task. You can see Manufacturing Work Order Groups in the Manufacturing Master Data functional area. You can perform export, import actions for the work order groups using the new FSM task. Here is the summary of the feature. You have seen how to manage work order groups, create, update, delete groups. How to capture and update group name in the work orders. Search work orders using groups, and perform mass actions. Also, the support for the work order groups in the Functional Setup Manager. This concludes the demo of this feature. Thanks for watching.